Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to give you the ultimate pastel goth outfit inspo or dress to impress with easy to find items. Let's learn how to balance softness and edge to nail the theme and secure that high score. Now let's just get started. Now first, these are the hair that I use for the look. For this updo, I only use the bangs, and the color combinations that I use for the hair is this soft pink or soft nude color and this blue color. And now let's just make the outfit. So first, I'm going to put on this top in black color. And this item right here to go into thick. Put on the socks, make it high strip socks and change the color to black, and this colors right here. This item, change the rest of the color to black. Now put on this top from the men's section and change the color into black. Okay, now put on the... So let's go to the dressing room. I'm going to put on this skirt, remove the ribbons, and I'm going to change the color using this patterns right here and make the material in silk. Like that. Now put on this dress, but twirl it into top only and change the color into black combined with the pink color, soft pastel color. Now put on this top, twirl it into just color and sleeves, change the sleeves color to black, and the next, go with this color right here. Just follow my color combination like that. And now let's put on the accessory. I forgot to put on the shoe. So for the shoe, I'm going to use the one from the currency item, this one, to go into number 2. And change the shoe lace to this color. And I'm going to put on this ribbon to put it into type 3 in black color. And also this headbands right here. And now I'm going to use this chains and silver. And last item, you can put on the belt from the men's section. So that's pretty much it. This will be the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.